Persian rugs. But she's from Nicaragua, thought she was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time, you know I'm partying. I don't just wanna chill.
Hey guys,
welcome to my YouTube channel.
Welcome to my what?
It's me and my pen against the world. Guys, let me tell you a story now. But she's here enjoying life. I'll tidy.
hey guys,
Welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing good and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe. If you've been here, thank you for tuning in again. Today I'm going to the mall with my cousin. We're going to this restaurant, okay, looking fresh. As y'all can see, I'm all dressed up, looking fresh. I'm gonna show you I'm gonna show you my outfit when I get to the mall with the dresses, the hairstyle. 8 nails left, not even 8, 7. Yellow bone mode activated. We should be driving, not Palama the Texas, but we have to Palama because I run the funds. As you guys can see, we are on our way.
Welcome to my what?
YouTube channel. Merry Christmas. But she's here enjoying life with the hills. Maphiwa mo telle yo ko re di hills tsa ke tse telle mara nna mina ngilava kuthobeka ya awubona itsona bona mabhona nabatla ka dipanzara di dila le men wa ha ona le tšhelete a o gudule men o ya dry gin se se tlang se tlile wa ja wa patela card because re founele mmasengane go no tshwana ba tshwangabileng go no tshwana mara gore mo ke di-couple every time I blink I see a couple. Good, yeah, footstep. What's your bag of it? It's a chicken. God, get ready to go. Actually, they just pick up. Guys, this girl right here ordered vodka, and I followed because of peer pressure. But still, Sure. But anyway, she's celebrating her 21st birthday by vodkaing herself. Wow, nice. Patiently waiting for our food. They're taking their time. We gotta reach about the tomatoes and stuff. Yeah, Malib. You show you taste the coconut. I haven't tasted it. Mara inyani. Ayutlwali here. Yeah. Karen na kwa ikutsi cocktail bar. Hotletse.
You are quite a tell them who vodka.
Nekwatile maphi. Na wethi daira na busy motsebe ke aka.
Let's vodka me somewhere. Away mix abashi.
Nekwatile. Me ole. Nabulela ka dini. But and upo hanchi mo di maboka. Like a boreile sha.
Yaho
Imonata. Yeah. Our food is here. It's me and my pen against the world. Yeah, I should feel like I'm going to go high. Days go high. Was it like you're like, she said, can you miss me? Means, yeah, you give your class. That's a green I think review. My food tastes better. Upelas. I know what's so got to do like the carrots. I know it's occasion. It tastes better. Plusly, that chip you want to this time. That's it, yeah. Guys, I'm just trying out guys, I just I didn't know because we did jaga for rock as I make us move. It is also little bit better. This original. What is it? What is it?
like mallepure, cutlery. Like this is what they I reckon sweet chicken what? Guys, order this at your own. Out of 10. This one out of 10. We give her 5. Maybe 6. Yeah, 5 because they are much. But but we let it go. And this is the money. What's it? Karen, that's what Mara, why does have video call my partner? You like you one. It's also the one I know. And I'm bad. I realize you got to bet that every day after 2 minutes, after 2 minutes, after 2 minutes. My man. Something new. Guys, please subscribe and like. And like, comment. No more. Guys, let me tell you a story now. Me and this cousin of mine that you see right here, we decided, no man, let's order things that we don't know. And this is what's happening. Where's the decision? After 30 minutes, this is what's happening. Can't wait. Now go to Jelly Burger, Lady Pizza, Lady Cajun, and the Cajun. That time, Shem, a show for waiting sunset. Disappoint guys, other things that you know when you visit restaurants, other things that you know, because you will cry just like me. I was thinking, no man, maybe it's gonna be nice. Sorry, since I don't know this thing. People are eating meat and chips, and now we are eating Indians and exotics, Cajun and December Doritos. I don't know what's happening. Avocado and tomato sauce plus yo. Just trying to marinate it with the sauces. Hey babe, don't you wanna do like potato sauce? I feel like, but at least we ate something different. But at least you ate something. Flop, I don't like those green things. But maybe mushroom would be it. I feel like I'm snaking. This is us after an hour from Precious's dish.
sauce ingir. Sauce monate.
Ele yang abanyana mara.
Yeah.
Ugar dia kana. Audi jale tu. Adumuna. Mara after
Kirsa.
better like moy.
Azao dia khalisa. Ne.
Mara garga snake. Kau jadi Doritos.
Yo.
Garga jadi Doritos. Garga snake. Anyways, please subscribe and comment and like. Do everything. We are still hungry. Precious, harusnya kau bilang something. Say hi to the camera.
Hi camera.
Oh kan mau, jangan ada batu balik ba. Ya. Yeah, so guys, we're going to eat now. That was just jokes. Yeah. Banyak orang feeling good. Tell McDonald's. We need to go to McDonald's.
Right before this night is gone, and like you heard me, only suck it up if you deserve me. Pull up and hurt me, push the stone, and like you heard me, only suck it up if you deserve me. Pull up and hurt me, push the stone, pushing on my buttons and no hesitation. Gas me up, give me motivation. Tell me what we can't take it destination. Gas me up, give me motivation. Now pushing on my
Hello. Thank you. Our picture also. Okay, right now we are heading to McDonald's as we mentioned.
Big gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the when I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just left every nigga in a race. I really might tap, really stay on my face. Little CC, let it slap with the babe. I used to say hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love them good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money out of game. I was on top when the street been a lot. Still on top, like I'm scared of the drop. Still on top, these niggas wanna swap. Niggas wanna swap like a sauce in a wax. I don't wanna change cause I'm good where I'm at. My tie, so I'm always good where I'm at. Where the Jones, Jazzy, Jay. Tell them when I die, put my money in the crack. Couple figures, killers going to collect. She fuck a nigga, then she on to the next. Really gonna know she all with a Mac. When you niggas think it's small in the mall with
Dulu kan cara mpana ka undisappointed why no perdini.
Ongitwenda kuboneka nawe.
Tell me why I'm here eating burgers and all that while I ordered fancy food, Doritos with the cheeses, the Cajun and all that. Yeah, dip any dip with 3 dips. Imagine 3 different kinds.
Subscribe,
Yeah.
like, share, support, so like,
Precious, yeah.
Like,
Blind.
Come to your senses. Yeah.
Thank you. We don't know your name, but yeah, okay. Bye. Thanks. Bye. This is the end of today's video. Signing out. Please subscribe and like, comment. Thank you. Setsu di